Welcome to the 2021 edition of the Certified Internal Auditor Part 1 Study Book. CIA Part 1 is known as the Essentials of Internal Auditing. This study book will prepare you for the CIA exams conducted by the Institute of the Internal Auditors US. The book contains the study points presented with the questioning mind approach. Furthermore, there are true-false questions to reinforce the learned topics. CIA exams are passed by understanding the core topics presented in the syllabus and applying them in the real case scenarios. You will be tested at higher cognitive levels. CIA Part 1 exam is the foundation of other CIA parts. That's why this CIA Part 1 Essentials of Internal Auditing 2021 book will help you develop a 360-degree level of understanding. CIA certification is achievable within 7 months by working executives if they can give at least 3 hours on the weekdays and at least 6 hours on the weekends. They will save the time and energy to focus more on their career, leisure activities, and family time. A dedicated section on the Certified Internal Auditor basic information is added in the book, explaining the proven strategies to clear the CIA exam in the first attempt. CIA Part 1 lecture videos will be available from the YouTube, which will give you the confidence to retain the topics in the heart. Furthermore, you will save the valuable time and resources on attending classes. You can ask as many questions as you wish to, either through WhatsApp or email, and I will answer to the best of my ability. My support and guidance will be with you till you pass the exams. Do read the comments and ratings of my successful candidates from the Facebook. This CIA study book is ideal for all the persons working in internal auditing, risk management, and compliance reporting positions. It is also equally suitable for those candidates who wish to learn the concepts and the principles of the internal audits. Aspiring entrepreneurs can also benefit from this CIA review course. Zen Academy's purpose is to create the best CIA exam prep materials at affordable pricing. You will get the integrated printable PDF book on subscription, either through the Visa or the MasterCard. Let's work together towards the common goal of earning a Certified Internal Auditor credential. The finest of the brains are in extreme level of slavery. For them, career and the job are important than the financial freedom and the peace of soul. You will be replaced in a day or two when you leave this world for the eternal life. Not understanding this point will lead to a dead-end tunnel. Seek certification to change your world, well-being, and most important, yourself.